Hello viewers, for DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to clean and apply a tire shine. There are various shines available on the market. Some are better than others. This particular version is a dye style which can last for easily a few months and doesn't leave a greasy finish behind. First is cleaning the tires. This is needed so we have a good base for the tire shine to stick and provide a deep black look. For this I prefer using a pressure washer as it'll wash away any dirt or grime easily. Using a specific tire cleaner or some form of multi-purpose cleaner, apply it to the tire and allow it to soak in for a moment. Then using a brush, scrub the sidewall of the tire, working in multiple directions at various angles to ensure all the edges are clean and free of any debris. Then using a pressure washer, wash away the soap residue and any debris. Do the same for the other wheels as well. First is rinsing them with the pressure washer. Then apply the cleaner. Scrub the tire down with a brush. Finally finish up with rinsing the tire. Unfortunately, with the truck parked on the ground, the part of the sidewall closest to the ground can sometimes be hard to wash, so it's best to either drive the vehicle forward or backwards, rotating this part up. Continue the same process as previously with washing the tire. The tire may take a little time to dry. To speed this process up, you can use compressed air to blow off any excessive water. Even consider taking the vehicle for a drive to help dry the rubber. Now is using a tire product. As mentioned previously, there are various types on the market available. The one I'm using, I believe, is a dye, does last for a few months. This particular product I don't believe is available on the market anymore. Typically it's good to wear rubber gloves so no product gets on your skin. They will come with a foam applicator. The solution will need to be applied to this and then it's rubbed onto the tire. Considering that I have raised white lettering, this can be hard to work around. I used a razor knife to cut down the applicator so it's smaller to get into those tight narrow areas. Work in multiple directions. You may even need to dab the applicator in certain areas to help apply the product on textured portions. If you do get any product on the raised white lettering, you can use a cloth with isopropyl alcohol to help clean it off. Around the raised white lettering, I would recommend using a Q-tip saturated with the tire shine product. This is a time-consuming task which does require patience. Some of the tire shines, such as this one, may require a second coat to achieve a different type of shine. You'll need to wait for the first coat to dry. This could take anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Then apply that second coat in the same way as the first coat. Just like washing the tires, there will be hidden areas which aren't easily accessible. So the vehicle may need to be moved to rotate this area up and then apply the tire shine to the surface. Depending on the tire shine, dry times may vary. Once dry, here you can see what I'm left with. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit a thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.